Let's fix this problem whereby someone likes your status and you're not able to get this notification like this one, like someone liked your status. Okay, pretty simple. What you're going to do, the first thing is that you're actually going to open your WhatsApp, tap updates, tap the three dots in the right upper part of the screen, then select settings, and then you're going to scroll down to what they call notifications. Okay, tap notifications. When you tap notifications, you're going to scroll down to what they call status. Right here, you see the status last part right there. You can actually see show notifications when you get likes on a status. Okay, if this option is actually toggled off, please make sure you turn it on. Please do that. Okay, if it's off, please turn it on, just like this. Turn it on. Okay, another thing I want you to note, that I want you to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to the latest version from Google Play Store. Then when you do that, then this one last thing that you need to make sure that your WhatsApp applications notifications are not blocked. Okay, please make sure you long press the WhatsApp app like this on your home, then go to the tap the eye right there, and then please make sure tap notifications, and please make sure your WhatsApp notifications can actually be shown. Okay, toggle this show notifications. WhatsApp notifications can actually be shown on your device, on your screen. Toggle this on. If you actually turn these notifications are actually enabled, you'll be able to see when someone likes your WhatsApp status. Subscribe, guys.